Welcome to the Alaska, Santa Fe, and Pacific's Model Railroad once again. Well, we got another box to open up. So let's see what we got. Lovely. It's a box of popcorn. You want one to eat? No, it's crap. I hate these things. Ugh. Let me dump them out in the trash can so I don't get it all over the place. Alrighty then. Let's see if this will come out of here without dragging a whole bunch of crap with it. Still a bunch of them in here. Yeah. Look at these things. These things are useless. Okay, it's an Atlas box. That's a starter. Hate these popcorns though. They're everywhere. They're everywhere. They're everywhere. All right, let's get these out of here so they don't come all over the place. And there's still some in the bag. Boy, they've got them all over the place. They didn't even bother to close the bag up. Good old Mr. Muffin, their package definitely lacks some stuff for sure. All right. This says it is an Atlas Premier S2 locomotive, Alaska Railroad, number 7112. Item number 301-38048. 3-rail. It's a good thing it's a 3-rail. I'd be disappointed if it was 2-rail. I guess they're making 2 rails. I don't know. Come on. It looks like they got it upside down, but maybe not. Yep, upside down. Come on out there. Definitely a tight fit. All right. See what we got wrapped up in here. At least it doesn't have that rubber feel. It's more like the plastic with the foam in it. Get these end pieces out of here. Wait a minute, let me roll this up a little better. This package is well inside the car and engine is anyway. It's got all the foam on the railings so they don't get all bent to crap, even though this one's bent to crap. Jeez. They try to protect it and it still gets bent. Don't get it, folks. Don't get it. All right. Well, there she is. Alaska Railroad, 7112. Got an engineer in it. Probably smokes too, so we'll put it on the track here. Took nearly 2 hours to get this thing to program. I had to take all 3 of my Lionel engines off and disconnect the Lionel signal from the track. Finally, it found it. I had to remove 3 Lionel engines off the track, and I even disconnected the Lionel signal to get this thing to program.